Hello everyone, welcome to Session NB. Today I will show you how to set a password lock to folders in Windows without software. So let us start the video. First we need this script. Check the description to copy this. Also the text file download link is in the description. After copying it, open a notepad and paste it. Then find your password in the script. Now replace it with any password. This is my password ABC123. Next, click on File and click on Save As. Now select the location where you want to store your secret folder. Then select all files for file save type. Next, give it any name and type a dot and BAT after the name. Just click Save. Now go to the location where you saved the bat file. Then right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Now you can see it creates a folder named Private. Store your private files in this folder. If you already have a folder, rename it to Private. Now right click on the bat file and click on Run as Administrator. After that, it will ask you, are you sure to lock this folder? Type Y and press enter. Then you can see that the private folder will disappear. So we successfully lock that folder. If you want to get back it, again right click on the bat file and click on Run as Administrator. After that, it will ask you for the password to unlock your secure folder. Type the password and press enter. Now you can see the private folder again. So see you in the next video. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay in peace.